Hi everyone, and welcome to the new features in LiveMath 3.6. This is just a quick overview for the home page, and you can look at more expansive videos on the videos page. So the first thing is we've got a nice new big palette. Wham! So we have to make our notebooks a little bit bigger as well to compensate. And this is a new palette. We also have the new skinny palette here if you like a slightly skinnier palette, but we'll put on the big palette for right now. And in LiveMath 3.6 we've got some new menus, certainly the new notebook menu, and the insert menu is a big one that we can now put in all of the objects from LiveMath right from the menu. And this is good for novice users who in the past have always said, hey, how do I put in a text comment? Or how do I put in a new 2D graph? And the answer is right like that. Some other new features are the following. We can do a y equals x squared, and we can add it to this graph just by picking it up and drag and drop. We get a new graph window. Question, I can also put in another function, and notice if you're a LiveMath user, intermediate to advanced user, you know that I can get into problems right here with dependent variables being the same. But with the new drag and drop system for graphing, the dependent variables being switched to subscripts is done automatically for you, and you can drag and drop graphs just that easily. You can also put in text comments. You can drag them into the graphs, and you can also do this with 3D graphs as well. You can also make all of your x's have vector hats if you like, and that'll change all of the x's throughout the notebook to being x vector. Or you can likewise undo what you just did and have them just be regular x's. Or at least sometimes you can. Let's try it again. Oh, you have to choose no mark, and that will take away that vector hat on the x. We have the compute menu is a little bit different and a little bit longer. It kind of goes off the movie here. And the graph menu is largely unchanged, but a few things have been added. And you'll notice on the Mac side we have these lovely icons throughout the menus. And we have a new parametric surface, 3D graphing. If you wanted to graph a 3D surface, we can go ahead and do that. Let's say we want to graph s times t, t squared minus s squared, and t plus s. And we simply grab that, go into the 3D parametric surface. Wants to make sure that that's a matrix, that's a variable. Whoa, we got all those things to line up, but it's looking good. And here is our beautiful parametric surface. Now you could do this, of course, before in LiveMath 3.5, but you'd have to do it manually. And here we have a menu option for doing that. So drag and drop graphs. We've got new menus to explore. We've got the big new palette. And we've got marks on our variable names and a whole host of other things. Check out the What's New in LiveMath 3.6 PDF. And we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.